What's the meaning of actor? Actor. 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 The term actor typically refers to a person who performs in a theatrical play, movie, or television show. They are individuals who bring a character to life through their actions, emotions, and dialogues. Actors often work with directors, producers, and other crew members to create a visual representation of a story that is being told. However, the term actor may also refer to individuals who take on a specific role or responsibility in various fields, such as business, politics, or law. These actors may use different skills to achieve their goals, such as negotiation, persuasion, or strategic planning.